Hi everyone, it's me, Chef Connie, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, and thanks for the compliments on these crazy, you guys know me, gotta have my nails. I got my paparazzi on. I will leave the link in the description below so you can have some paparazzi too. And my favorite nail shop. I couldn't figure out what color. Am I going green? Am I going to go pink? I don't know, but you guys know me. Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. Anyway, guess what? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make banana bread. Okay, I know. But guess what? We're gonna make banana bread. No eggs, no flour, no milk. Who's gonna do that? And no, I'm not a magician. So stay tuned, stay with me. I'm going to drop the camera and we are going to get busy. Look at this. These bananas are so ugly. They almost remind me of one of my ex-boyfriends. Okay, no, because if my ex-boyfriend was that ugly, I wouldn't have got with him in the first place. Hey, anyway, got some brown sugar. Anyway, guess what? Let's dive into this video, make some banana bread. Like I said, no eggs, no milk, no flour. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, we're diving right into the video, and what you need for this particular recipe with our banana peanut butter bread with no milk, no eggs, and no butter. Anyway, here we go. 5 ugly bananas. I showed you those ugly bananas. Remember, you want your bananas to look like this. Ew, but they taste delicious. So here we go. Some tips to help get those bananas ugly if you're trying to make this. You do want to get those bananas a few days ahead of time. I throw my bananas in the freezer and they get ugly. I think it takes them a few days. You can put them in a paper bag with an apple. Let them set. It'll take up to 48 hours for the bananas to ripen. And you can also put them in a warm oven of like 300 degrees on a tray. And that takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Otherwise, you can let them just naturally get ugly and then, or throw them in the freezer. Even if I buy them and they're yellow, I throw them in the freezer, boom, and they turn ugly. Perfect. All right, so we need 5 ugly bananas, 2 cups of quick oats. This is 2 cups of quick oats. You want to put those 2 cups of quick oats. So let me move this camera. Over here, I have my blender. That's the oven. Let's raise that a little bit. I'm going to put these 2 cups of quick oats in the blender to blend them, to make them kind of a powder. Don't forget the top. Here we go. That didn't work out too well. Anyway, it's all crushed. They look really good. And I'm gonna put them back into the bowls. Yeah, they came out really good. Powdery, perfect. Okay. Perfect. All right, sorry I'm making a bunch of noise. Here we go. Here's the bananas. And I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Somebody forgot to get those 3 tablespoons. So let me grab a spoon and do the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You want to put the brown sugar into the bananas because the bananas they have a lot of moisture, they're wet, and that will help dissolve the sugar. So this is before you put the peanut butter in. You want to take, and this will help dissolve this sugar. Okay. I'm also going to use the mixer not the blender. I know we had a lot of fun with that a few seconds. But I'm gonna use my mixer. Here we go. And I'm just playing. These things work off of electricity, so I'm gonna have to remember to plug it in. Here we go. Very nice. There we go. Okay, now that I've got the bananas pretty much smushed and mixed in with the brown sugar, we're gonna go ahead and take in this 1 cup of peanut butter. Mix it with the 5 bananas. There we go, 1 cup of peanut butter. And I am ready. Very nice. Okay, don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. And then we just want to make sure we get all of this blended in well. Beautiful. Okay, now that we've got this nice and blended, now we add our 2 cups of oatmeal, crushed oatmeal, instant. Okay, we add it in. Perfect. We'll scrape down the bowl. This is easy. Here we go. And then 1 more cup. There we go. Perfect. Okay, pretty much mixed up real well. And now I'm going to go ahead, clean out. There we go. Comes right out, so easy. As long as you have a nice spatula, good spatula, there we go. Clean these blades out. And, all right, let's get ready to make some bread. All right, I'm gonna mix and blend with the rest. There we go. All right, this is ready. Very easy. Now we're gonna add chips. I ran out of chocolate chips, so you can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in this 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And this was the last of my dark chocolate chips. I'm just gonna throw those in there too. Who's gonna complain? Nobody. There we go. Beautiful. That's it. All we're doing is mixing the chips in, and it's ready. It is ready. There we go. Okay, that's mixed. That's ready. Let me get everything out of my way. All the prep bowls. Take your bread pan. Pre-spray your bread pan with oil. So this is sprayed already. You can see it kind of shining. And then you put in your wax paper or your parchment paper. Some people call it wax, some people call it parchment. You put in your parchment paper, and you don't spray the parchment paper. You just spray the pan. And now we're gonna take this bowl and put all this deliciousness right here into the pan. Don't freak out if the kids want to lick the spoon or the bowl, because there's no eggs in this. Okay, so you can pass this bowl over to the cans if you want to. Otherwise, I'm getting out most of the stuff. Got a little bit on my finger. And then you spread it in the pan real well. So I'm taking the spatula, spreading this in the pan. I will show you. And I have the oven warming up to 350 degrees. So, okay. This has been spread into the pan. I got a mess going. There we go. See how nice that is? And we're gonna put this in the oven. This is going into the oven for 55 minutes. Or we put a toothpick in, test it at 55 minutes. If the toothpick comes out with no batter on it, it should be ready. So it's going in the oven right now. Okay, oven time. So I got one done, and here we go, folks. This is what this looks like after it's ready. Of course, somebody took a piece off of it already. This is it, delicious. So let's cut this. Let's get ready for the taste test. So I'm gonna raise this camera up. There we go. All right, and I'll get back into the picture. Hello, everyone. So here we go. We're gonna do the taste test. Let me take my glasses off, because this might be so good, it might knock the glasses off. All right, got my knife, getting ready to cut this piece. And when this is warm, it's so delicious with butter. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. We all know I love butter. Okay, here we go. Deliciousness. Deliciousness. And it's very, very good when it's nice and hot with butter. Deliciousness. And this is it. No eggs, no milk, no butter, but peanut butter. So no eggs, no milk, and no flour. Yes. All right. Well, there you go, folks. This was so easy. Very easy recipe, very delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.